How to unblock a contact on Kakaotalk. In today's guide, I'll be showing you how you can unblock their contact on Kakaotalk. Let's get started. First, open Kakaotalk application on the device. Now, in order to unblock them, all you have to do is tap on the settings icon at the top right corner, tap on it, you scroll down and tap on friends right here, tap on it. Here scroll down and you can see blocked friends right here. Just tap on block friends and you will see all of the friends you have blocked right here. Just tap on manage. Now to do that, tap on unblock right here. Just tap on unblock and in this way they will be unblocked. That's it. This is how you can unblock someone on Kakaotalk. Hope this video helped you. If it did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching.